Hello there.
Hi.
Thanks for joining us. Could you tell us who are you, what do you do, and where do you come from?
I'm Cindi Morshead. I'm a professor at the University of Toronto, and I am a neural stem cell biologist at heart who studies stroke. So now engaged in our neuron reprogramming.
Fabulous. And so you did a talk for us yesterday. Could you just give us a little bit of oversight? What was that about?
Sure. So it wasn't particularly obvious that taking an astrocyte and turning it into a neuron would be a good therapeutic avenue to treat stroke. People have been trying to treat stroke for a really long time. We do know that when you have a stroke, you lose your neurons, so it was worth a try. So will converting an astrocyte to a neuron help repair stroke? And my team is interested in the efficacy of this response. So how efficient is it? Is it a good idea? And if it is a good idea, how well can we do it? And so I showed evidence yesterday that not only does converting an astrocyte to a neuron work, we get functional recovery, we can do it in more than one model of stroke, and all of these are really important for the translational potential of this strategy.
Fabulous. And we also know that stroke is closely related to things like epilepsy and also other forms of neurological disease. So, right?
Certainly the loss of neurons in any neurodegenerative disease or neurotrauma, which we would consider stroke to be, those are all very interrelated once you start, disrupting the brain in that way with a loss of neurons.
Indeed. And are you planning on coming to the conference next year?
Absolutely.
Yeah, would you recommend it to anybody else who's thinking about coming?
I absolutely recommend this meeting. It's such a nice community and everyone wants to be helpful and think about your work and help you advance it as much as they want to advance their own. And it's really great. A perfect place for trainees.
Thank you very much.
No, you're very welcome.